okay, is this showstopper يعني طلبات is there يعني
Yeah.
sorry, making an ad for them. But anyways, delivery companies are there.
For example, I don't know if people,
Yeah.
I don't know nowadays the generation they cook or not, but a woman يعني she doesn't know how to cook.
Okay, is this showstopper يعني طلبات is there يعني
Communicate with one another and talk and support one another. This is really important when it comes to expectations. Like I said, nobody's perfect. Don't expect love to be always on the top. لا. ترى مثل الإيمان. إيمان. Your belief in Allah goes up and down. This
Your
we know
faith,
in
yeah.
Islam. So in your love, you think always love is hot? لا. One day you want to fight, one day you want to love, one day you want to hug, one day you want... عادي, this happens. But the base should be يعني the same. الإسلام العقيدة ما تتغير. Yeah, العقيدة doesn't change. When you go through things, commitment, sacrifice, trust, communication, you understand the complexity of that human being that you're about to share your life with, then you start loving or loving her. But until you saw them, I like the way he looks, I like the way he dresses, I like his car. This is not love. Yeah, this is just you're impressed with things.
When you deal with these small things that come here and there, honestly, together as a husband and wife, that actually builds upon your marriage and makes your marriage stronger and your love stronger.
This is where love comes.